So the lathe uses a 7-inch standard Android tablet for communication to the lathe, and as well as adapter selection and such. You probably have something pretty similar in your pocket. But let's walk through and talk a little bit about how you go about using this. So the first thing you're going to do when you walk up to the vehicle is select a new vehicle, and we do that by hitting Change Vehicle. Okay, and I would basically go through, hit the button at the top, and select whatever vehicle I'm working on, whatever that may be. Okay. In this case, I'm picking a Challenger just to pick something, 17-inch brakes, and there we go. Okay, if we need to see the adapter and the part number a little closer, we can do that by touching there. We can also select the vehicle by VIN if you have an optional Bluetooth connected VIN reader, or if you want to type in the VIN yourself, you can select that way as well. I'm going to jump back out. We also have a number of other features here, one of which is we can change the direction of the lathe. If we run into a vehicle that has a lot of drivetrain friction in one direction, the lathe normally turns clockwise, we can run counterclockwise. And I can do that by hitting the direction, and it shows me how to flip the bits over. And I tell it that, yeah, I'm going to flip the bits. I didn't actually do it. But you would see that the reverse indication is now shown. If I want to, when I start the lathe, it's going to confirm the position of those cutting bits to make sure that I'm not about to mess up and cut with the bits in the wrong position. So I'm going to cancel back out. I'm going to go back in and actually switch the lathe back to forward position. You see now it goes back white. Now we can also go into our menu here. If we want to watch a video, I can select the training video button here, and I can watch a video. In this case, I'm going to watch a video about the AutoComplete. Okay. We can go back out to our main screen here, and I can take a look at the BitMinder feature. You notice it's flashing red at me. BitMinder is monitoring my bit usage. We'll talk about that a little further in another video, but here's where you would find that information. And we can also start the lathe from here. If I hit the start button now, it wants me to confirm the position of the bits because you saw we changed the direction. Okay, now the lathe is running. It starts off very slow, but then I can control the speed from here, okay, up and down, and then I can also stop the lathe from here as well. And that's your basic tablet operation.